Hot-dip galvanized bolts, with their high strength and corrosion resistance, are widely used in various industrial structures. During installation, tightening torque can damage the zinc coating locally. Without repair, bolts may rust and fail, threatening overall stability. Mengneng Coating, with its high zinc formula, restores and enhances anti-corrosion performance. The aerosol spray allows easy on-site repair of damaged areas. With Mengneng Coating, galvanized bolt corrosion is solved once and for all.
Follow me to learn more anti-corrosion tips.